Hello, we're doing a mukbang. It's me. Look at my beautiful food. And this is my brother's chicken wings. I know. We're newbies.
Amateurs.
Okay, so just like, let's go.
You can barely see me.
Let's just go. Let's do it. This is really good.
Yeah.
When this burrito came out, I did not think it was gonna be this big at all.
They wings are banging. Hashtag shout out to Beast Mode.
Beast Mode, why?
Beast Mode, the mukbanger on YouTube.
Oh yeah. We get inspiration. Water. I got water as well.
Refreshing. All on you. Is it all on you?
It's all Elijah.
It's all on Elijah? Why that on both of y'all?
Let's do some this one. Oh yeah, that's better. Isn't that? That's good.
Remember, I was watching this YouTube video
Yeah.
where there was this Asian chick like eating mochi. I feel like mochi is good because it's like sort of an ice cream, like a Chinese ice cream or whatever.
It's like, I'm pretty sure it's stretchy.
Yeah, it is. Especially when you first bite into the
Come on. Guys, we also have chips in the background. So.
and we have salsa.
This is good.
Everything okay?
Yep.
I got more napkins. Gotta eat healthy. These are fries.
Yep. Carrot fries. Oh wait, I'm allergic to carrots. I forgot.
But I feel like somebody could actually make carrot fries.
Yeah.
Wait, you are allergic to carrots?
No. But like one time, my throat itches when I eat them.
You're not allergic, are you?
But again, this burrito is like delicious.
We got our dad sitting in front of us. Why you got this in my hand, dude?
He also has a burrito. But I just got chicken. He has steak and chicken, so.
And I just got chicken wings and vegetables and sauce, which I have no problem with.
You can't go wrong with chicken wings.
Exactly.
Dad, hand me the napkin.
Me too.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There we go. Honestly, that is burrito. Oh wait, we're slipping. We're slipping.
Honestly,
Sorry. We have to set up the camera.
honestly,
Okay.
the wings,
I thought this burrito was gonna be like hard to crack. I thought I was gonna eat like none of it, but I'm already almost like halfway, and I'm still can eat more.
are banging. These wings are banging.
Really good.
Look at hot sauce. It's so good. Is it me, or do I feel like Buffalo Wild Wings has competition a little bit? Because I know.
Well, I mean, if you can already tell, we're at Peppers, and they're usually like known for more like Mexican. But since they can like switch it up, that's pretty good.
Because I know that Mexican like place you usually see like casually have rice, maybe some chicken in there.
Mhm.
But in wing place, you have chicken wings. So I would never expect a Mexican restaurant mainly to have chicken wings.
Delicious food.
Yeah.
Like, I didn't want to go here at first, but like, this burrito was like so good. Okay. Getting some more burrito.
I need some salad.
Like, just show me your food.
I can't because your plate is doing.
No, just show up a chicken wing. And then dip it in sauce and eat it. Or dip it in the camera. Make sure in the camera shot.
You can't see it. Can't see it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Not eat it. But
Next time.
make sure you're in the camera. Yeah, make sure you're in the camera when you eat it. That's good.
Put the sauce over it.
Make sure the sauce is all around your face. Watch this. So guys, this food is so good. Real good.
Eat like that. Don't mind if I do.
They're good too, Dad.
Wait, let me taste the sauce.
Yeah, the sauce is good.
Spicy but good. It like burns my throat a little.
Drink some water.
There's guacamole in this too.
It doesn't burn my throat.
Guys, look how good that is.
And I want to tell all the kids right now,
You're a
eat
kid.
your vegetables.
You don't eat your vegetables. Exposed.
I do eat vegetables.
Barely.
You're lying. Don't lie on the internet, my G.
I'm not lying. I said rarely.
This is
Like
inspired
for real,
by...
I'm actually like eating this burrito.
This
Sure.
this video is inspired by B Loves Life. Make sure you subscribe to her on YouTube.
Well, she does seafood, but yeah. So good. This is
You just finish.
Everything okay, sir?
yes.
Water.
Water?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, this is
You want
good.
some more water?
Yes.
Take a straw.
And you, sir? More water?
Thank you.
No, I'm good.
Oh, he's good.
Okay.
Yeah. My brother never
of water.
never drinks when he eats. It's like it's kind of gross.
Down here in Florida, some days it's kind of hot, so I gotta drink some water.
Some days our winter is literally spring.
And then some days down here it be cold like Chicago.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good old wings. Oh my God.
Just got a refill.
Look at this. This is awesome.
That looks so good.
It's so good.
Eat it in the camera. You always eat it off the camera. Oh, you saw that. Oh. Okay, you know you always gotta hit that 10-minute mark. That's what I hear on like YouTube when like those bumbling kind of YouTubers, they're like, you gotta hit that 10-minute mark, you know. She make pretty good content. Plus, you can just have like a 5-minute video and just be like, okay, see ya. So we just hit the 10-minute mark, guys. So yeah.
How would you rate your food so far?
Out of 10, I would rate it 9.3.
9.3?
9.
I mean, like, the guacamole could be better, but like everything is so good.
What about you, Elijah?
I said 9.8
9.8. Why?
because vegetable. Well, I mean, I like vegetables.
Look at the camera, dude.
I like vegetables, but I don't know why I'm saying 9.8. I'm gonna just say 10 because this is good. This is really
You still
good.
gotta justify it.
I know.
You can't just throw out a round number.
Like,
What are you comparing it to?
I'm comparing these wings to Buffalo Wild Wings. They're awfully close.
So if you gave them a 10, what do you give them Buffalo Wild Wings?
Okay.
So yeah.
so, guys, I remember these burritos are just like so good. So if you ever go to Peppers, get the burrito California. So good. You'll think it's big at first, but trust me, you eat it like really fast. And I'm a kid, so, and on the grown-up menu, so like, yeah.
And you gotta go down here and make sure you get the chicken wings. They're so banging. You gotta get the chicken wings.
So any final thoughts? Overall, I think this was a really good eat. This burrito was delicious. That hot sauce is so good. And yeah, Elijah, anything you want to say?
I want to say that these wings are so good, and Peppers is so underrated for their wings.
Sponsor me, Peppers.
Yes, sponsor both of us.
So, see you next time. Bye.